I woke up with a sore throat on Monday and started using cough drops throughout the day. At first they worked great, but by the afternoon, my body started to react. I felt a sense of unease, followed by a sudden emergency trip to the bathroom. While sitting there, I Googled and learned that many cough drops contain sweeteners with a laxative effect when used excessively. I had definitely used them in excess, and now I was paying the price. I had been using them like candy, not thinking about the potential consequences. Now, I'm left questioning my life choices and vowing to be more mindful of the ingredients in the things I consume.